Hi, I'm Bortone, and I'm the author of Video Marketing Rules: How to Win in a World Gone Video. But I've also written another popular book called Fuck You, Pay Me. And this one is for any freelancer or entrepreneur or solo service provider, anybody that's ever had trouble collecting bills, getting paid, and charging what they're worth. So this is obviously a play on the infamous Goodfellas movie, but this is fun and sort of written as a children's book, nursery rhyme kind of thing. Very fun and colorful way to deal with an interesting problem. And now I have created a webinar and live talk based on Fuck You, Pay Me. And it's been going over really well, so I wanted to let you know about that. And those talks can be toned down a bit to sort of a PG rated version of this. I also have one called Dump the Duds, about dealing with difficult clients and charging what you're worth. So check out the info on this page. Let me know what you think. If you want to pick up the book, you can do that at Amazon. And if you're interested in a speaking engagement or doing a webinar, definitely a cool change of pace, fun, lighthearted, but lots of great practical information as well. So shoot me an email if you're interested. Check out the page, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.